Dr. Erickson, how would you define hypnotic trance?
So the hypnotic trance, you pay attention to the things that are immediately important. It isn't important to you to know that while you listen to me, that you are wearing a watch, that you are. You can forget about that. You can forget about your tie, the color of your shoes. You can forget about the chair you're sitting in and pay attention to me. Or you can let your mind wander wherever you wish. In trance state, you focus the attention to the important things. And that's why in therapy, you focus the patient's attention where it should be focused and where he can call forth memories that he'd long forgotten. Now, hypnosis itself doesn't do anything. It gives